90% drivers are sitting inside a car packed with features they have never found, never activated, and never used. Some of those features could save your life in an emergency. Others could save you hundreds of dollars in diagnostic fees and shop visits. Every single one of them came standard with your vehicle. You already paid for them. Mechanics know about them. Dealerships count on the fact that you do not. Today, I am exposing all 13. And stay through to number 13. Because that one feature is exactly what your dealer does not want you to find on your own. Secret number 1. The hidden key inside your key fob. Your key fob has a second key hidden inside it. And here is what most drivers never realize. If your car battery dies, if your key fob battery dies, or if your remote locking system fails completely, that little hidden mechanical key is the only thing standing between you and being stranded in a dark parking lot. On almost every key fob, there is a small button or slide latch on the back or the side. Press it. Pull. A physical metal key slides out. That key opens your door manually, every time. Knowing this alone can save you hundreds and keep you from being stuck at the worst possible time. Secret number 2. The fuel filler arrow on your dashboard. Look at your gas gauge. Right next to the gas pump icon, there is a small arrow. That arrow is pointing left or right. And what most drivers do not know is that arrow is telling you exactly which side of your car the gas cap is on. Now, that sounds simple. But here is the scary part. I have watched drivers pull into a gas station, get out, walk around the car, get back in, pull around, and repeat this entire process multiple times. That arrow has been printed right on the dashboard the whole time. Every car you have ever borrowed. Every vehicle you have never driven before. That arrow solves it immediately. Secret number 3. Follow me home headlights. Most modern cars have what is called a follow me home headlight feature. When you park at night and turn off your car, your headlights can stay on automatically for 30 to 60 seconds while you walk inside. If you have ever parked in a dark driveway, a dim parking garage, or an unfamiliar lot at night and wished you had just a little more light to navigate safely, this feature was already there. You just did not know how to activate it. On most vehicles, you flip the headlight stalk forward once after you have put the car in park. Some cars do it automatically. Check your owner's manual for the exact method and it works. Now, before we go any further, I need to stop right here and tell you something. Those first 3 features, they are useful, but the next group we are about to cover, these are the ones that involve your family's physical safety. And most drivers have never once been told about them. Not by the dealer, not by any mechanic. And when we get to feature number 13, I am going to show you a setting buried inside your own infotainment screen that almost no one ever touches. But once you know what it does, you will check your car the moment this video ends. Stay with me. Secret number 4, the trunk emergency release handle. Inside every car trunk built after 2002, there is a glow-in-the-dark release handle. Federal law requires it on every passenger vehicle sold in the United States. It releases the trunk latch from the inside. No key required. But here is what most drivers never realize. Most people have never shown their family where it is. Their grandchildren do not know. Their passengers do not know. Open your trunk right now after this video. Look at the latch mechanism. There will be a small handle, usually green or yellow, that glows in the dark. Pull it, and the trunk opens. Show everyone in your family where it is. Every single person who rides in your car. Secret number 5, the secondary hood safety latch. Pull your hood release lever inside the car. The hood pops up a few inches, but it will not open all the way. And this confuses people every single time. That is not a malfunction. There is a second safety latch hidden right at the front center of the hood gap. You slide your fingers in, find the lever, and push it to one side before the hood fully lifts. It is a theft deterrent and a safety feature. It prevents the hood from flying open at highway speed if the primary latch fails. I have had customers pull into my shop convinced their hood was broken. Nothing was broken. They just did not know about the second latch. Now you do. If these are new to you, go ahead and hit subscribe. I cover features and fixes exactly like these every single week. The things mechanics know and everyday drivers never hear until something goes wrong. Secret number 6, cargo tie-down anchors in your trunk floor. Open your trunk and look at the floor, specifically at the edges and corners under or around the carpet. On most vehicles, there are small metal loops bolted directly into the floor structure. Those are cargo tie-down anchors, rated for 100 pounds each on most vehicles. And what most drivers do not know is that loose groceries, bags, and cargo shifting around in the trunk at 60 miles per hour creates a real distraction and a real danger if you stop suddenly. Those loops were put there to hold things down with a simple cargo net or bungee cord. Most drivers have never touched them. They have been there since the day the car was built. Secret number 7, the brake override system. Picture this. You are pulling out of a parking space and your floor mat shifts forward and traps the accelerator, or you accidentally press the gas and the brake at the same time. What happens? Your car has a built-in answer. It is called brake override, or smart pedal technology. On virtually every vehicle made after 2012, if the computer senses both pedals pressed at the same time, it cuts engine power automatically. The brakes win every time. This has prevented serious accidents. Most drivers have never heard of it, but it works every single time you need it. We are exactly halfway through, and I need to tell you something before we continue. The 7 features we just covered, those are the ones most drivers stumble across eventually, but the next 6? These are the ones that mechanics and technicians deal with every single week. Features that drivers never find because they are buried inside menus, hidden under panels, or sitting right behind a button nobody ever thinks to press. And dealers are counting on you not knowing about them, because when you do not know, you pay for a shop visit, you pay a diagnostic fee, you pay for a reset that takes 5 seconds at home. Stay with me through feature number 13, because that one I promise you have never heard a mechanic talk about on camera before. Secret number 8, the TPMS reset button. Your tire pressure warning light comes on. You fill all 4 tires to the correct pressure. You get back in the car. The light is still on. Here is the part no one tells you. You have to manually reset the TPMS system after inflating your tires. There is a button for it, and most drivers have no idea it exists. On many cars, it is located under the steering column, inside the glove box, or in the center console. It is usually a small button labeled TPMS or SET. Turn the ignition to the on position. The engine does not have to be running. Hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light blinks twice. Secret number 9, power window auto reverse calibration. Most modern power windows have an automatic pinch protection feature. If the window hits an obstruction while closing, it reverses direction automatically. It is a safety feature designed to protect fingers, hands, and pets. But here is what most drivers never realize. That system needs periodic recalibration. If your window starts randomly reversing when there is nothing in the way, or will not close completely on its own, the auto reverse sensor is out of calibration. The fix costs nothing. Hold the window switch down until the window is fully open, then hold it up until it is fully closed. Hold for 3 additional seconds once it reaches the top. The system resets itself. No dealership required. Secret number 10, telescoping steering wheel adjustment. For drivers over 60, this one matters more than almost any other feature on this list. Most drivers know the steering wheel tilts up and down. What most drivers never realize is that it also slides forward and backward, closer to you and further away. That movement is called telescoping. If your steering wheel is positioned too close to your chest, the airbag in a collision can cause serious injury instead of protecting you. The recommended minimum is 10 inches of clearance between your sternum and the center of the wheel. Find the lever or button on the left side of your steering column. Pull it and slide the wheel to the correct position. This is not about comfort, it is about control and safety. Secret number 11, the built-in garage door transmitter. Look up at your sun visor area, specifically at the headliner between the 2 front visors. On the vast majority of vehicles made in the last 15 years, there are 3 small buttons built directly into the fabric or plastic trim. Those are HomeLink universal garage door transmitters. They are programmed to operate your home garage door, your security gate, or your home automation system. What most drivers do not know is that they have been paying for an extra remote control or fishing around in the center console for years, when one was already built into the ceiling of the car. Programming takes about 5 minutes. Your owner's manual has the exact steps. Secret number 12, the oil life monitor reset. Every modern vehicle has an oil life monitoring system built into the engine computer. It tracks temperature cycles, RPM loads, cold start frequency, and driving habits. And it tells you exactly how much life is left in your oil as a percentage. But here is what most drivers never realize. That system must be manually reset after every single oil change. If your shop does not reset it, the computer continues counting down from where it left off. You get false readings. You change your oil too soon or too late. After every oil change, ask your technician directly. Did you reset the oil life monitor? If they look confused, that is a problem. This is the one I mentioned in the first 30 seconds. This is the one your dealer will never bring up unless you ask for it directly. And almost no one ever does. Secret number 13, the built-in vehicle speed limiter. Most modern vehicles have a speed limiter built directly into the driver settings menu on your infotainment screen. Not cruise control, not adaptive speed assist. A hard limit, a maximum speed the car physically will not exceed, no matter how far down you press the accelerator. And here is what most drivers never realize. This feature was not designed for racetracks. It was designed for exactly this situation. You hand your keys to a younger driver, a grandchild, a new driver in your household. You are not there, you cannot control the pedal, but you can set a maximum speed in under 2 minutes before they ever pull out of your driveway. Go to your settings menu on the infotainment screen. Look for driver assistance, vehicle limits, or speed settings, depending on your make and model. Set your limit. Confirm. That vehicle will not go faster than you allow. No app required, no extra hardware. It was already built in. Knowing this feature exists is not about distrust. It is about being the driver who stays in control even when you are not in the car. Those are 13 features that came standard on your vehicle. Already paid for, already built in. Now you know all 13. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now and share it with one person in your life who drives and does not know about these features, because there is a very good chance they need to see this more than you did. Subscribe if you have not already. I cover exactly these kinds of features, fixes, and money-saving habits every single week. Just what mechanics know and everyday drivers do not. I will see you in the next one.